Okay, and I'm here, ISE 2024, on the Atlona stand, and I'm here with my good friend Robert. Robert, tell me a bit more about the history of Atlona. It's got a long history, but relatively recently it got bought out by Pandora. Tell me a bit about the new focus now.
So yes, historically Atlona has been known for extension product, AV extension product switching, and we're parlaying all that experience into some new educational products that we're introducing at the show.
So tell me a bit more about this particular product here.
So this is our new OME CS31 SA, which is an Omega product that combines AV switching, USB routing, and we've included a mixer amplifier, which is new for the line.
And that's really important from an education point.
Correct. It's all those three things, yes, but then we've also included some unique capabilities specifically for K-12 type education, which are PA mute, so we can mute the audio of the program audio of the system when there's an announcement coming over the public address system. And it also includes ducking, which is we can lower the program audio when a teacher speaks into a wireless microphone.
And tell me a bit more about the functionality. Is there anything else that kind of sets this apart from some of the other stuff?
Well, the fact it's a low profile enclosure, so it can fit behind a display or up by a projector, and it includes all those things in one box. You know, historically some of those USB routing and switching and extension were all different devices that needed to be integrated, but we put it all in one box.
And when can we expect this to hit the market?
So the product was introduced last week, and it'll be shipping approximately March 1st.
Okay, and one of the things I noticed was that kind of interview. I see there's two LAN ports there. And I'm seeing a control surface, Wallplate there. Tell me about that.
So I'm going to tell you two things, or three things actually, if that's okay. So the device itself has what's called automatic display control. So if somebody teacher plugs in a source, we'll automatically turn on the display and then switch to that input. Yeah. You can enhance that further with our occupancy sensor, the OCS 900N, which over the network tells the device whether there's anybody in the room. If somebody walks in the room, we can turn in the display, and when they leave, it'll turn off. The third option is our new VKP-8E control panel, which if you need a physical user interface in the room, we can turn the display on, switch between the inputs, adjust the volume level with that keypad.
One of the things I really like is that I was kind of investigating a bit more. That's a PoE product, right?
That's correct.
So running off 30 watts, a normal PoE, and also the other part of it from a sustainability point of view. What were you using for the display element?
Yeah, so different than a touch panel and other products, it uses an e-ink display, which is very low power, yet has the full functionality of being able to customize button text and icons and flip between pages.
Now, a lot of control systems are really complicated to be able to configure. What's yours like?
Right. We've taken a different tack. The new product, the VKP-8E, has a configuration tool that lives in the cloud called Atlona Cloud. So you get the device, you type in the IP address, you're sent online into our cloud, and just drag and drop down the buttons and import your devices you're controlling and just put the functions on the buttons, push the configuration, and then install the unit.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Have a great show.
You too.